Hey there, it's me again, Victory the African Mermaid.
Y'all ready to see her? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? It's been about 20 years now. Y'all like, yo, the last video you dropped, you were saying you was about to take your twists out, and you were so excited, and we were so excited, and then it was crickets. Like, what is under that head wrap? Take that head wrap off. So yeah, we about to get right into it, y'all. Alright. So I'm probably going to spray her once I take her down. You know how when you put your hair up, it be looking crazy once it comes down. So anywho, I'm going to use my rose water, vitamin E, and Jamaican black castor oil. Now, I no longer put oils on my head, but yo, my hair has been thriving, yo, thriving. I only put this, spray this like once every maybe like 3 weeks. So, I mean, your hair has natural sebum. It produces its own oils. That's a whole nother video in itself, but let me not keep you waiting any longer. This is the moment you have all been waiting for. No, I'm just playing. So I went ahead and sprayed her off camera, y'all. Like I said, I'm no longer applying oils onto my scalp. The only oils that touch my hair are these, because I'm starting on a no oil journey. This is the best thing I could have ever done for my hair. You feel me? That will be another video to come if you want to know more. And yeah, I just didn't want to let go cold turkey because I didn't want to freak my hair out. So yeah. So let me give you a little twirl around. This is my 2.5 year Loc update, y'all. And that is her, and that is I. So yeah, I love it. And like I said, there's no oil thing that I'm trying. Like, ooh, volume, y'all, volume. And that's what I live for. Now, I am semi-freeformed, so I do not twist my hair. I just like separate them when they get a little too friendly. And I don't know, once I'm not in corporate America anymore, I might just freeform just all together, because I love the look. But I love volume, I love Lauryn Hill style type hair, you feel me? Erykah Badu, Lenny Kravitz, I love it. Love it, y'all. So let me give y'all a little close up so y'all can see what she's talking about. Look at her, she's so nice and healthy. Yes, don't hate, girl. Yes, girl. So juicy. Juicy, baby. Them juicy vibes, you feel me? I put these shells in my hair when I was like a year in. It's just my thing, it's my vibe, you feel me? And they are locked in. Let me know if y'all want a tutorial on how to do that. I'll let y'all know, you feel me? Like, what I know, I'll share the knowledge, you feel me? Because y'all cool, and I dig y'all, you feel me? So yeah, that's her, y'all. If y'all want to know more about semi-freeform, thick locks, kind of thinnish, I feel like I'm on the thin side, low density, 4C, 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 and just want all around good vibes. Come along with you. In the meantime, between time, y'all be well, be love out there to the world. It's okay to receive love. Sometimes you gotta learn how to receive love, because sometimes, you know, we just hard body, we tough, you feel me? I could be that way sometimes. Receive love, but don't forget to also give it. There is not enough out there in the world. So my thing is be well. Child, we living in some times, ain't we? Be love out there to the world, and always be blessed. I'm signing off. It's your girl, Victory the African Mermaid. I feel like Sailor Moon or something, girl.